No, we'll plug her in. That's no problem. If you think that you've got if you think you have something that works as a 6-column horizontal, then I'd use that as a dominant and one secondary piece.
Coming along pretty quick, but it's
Almost. We got a little bit of glitches.
a couple more photos. And
Well, we're cleaning up a mess. It's the branch was caught up on the telephone wire, was hung up. It's kind of a precarious, dangerous situation. This is one of the worst right here. I mean, it came right down on that that beautiful home. You can see that the chimney was leveled, and luckily one of the big, huge branches didn't hit it, but there's still a lot of damage. So it's never in Walla Walla, in my memory. I've been here since '82, and people who've been here longer say they've never seen winds like this. It was just amazing.